Hey guys, Derek here. So, thought I'd give you a bit of an update since my Ironman project has been a huge success. I thought I'd print something a little bit bigger. Now, what I'll do at the end of this little video, that I will do I'll show you what I'm building. I don't like small things, I'm going big. This is going to be a Hulk, as in the Incredible Hulk from the MCU. It will be at least 8 foot 7 inches tall, and it's taking some time, so I thought I'd just give you a bit of an update. So I will be currently hopefully gluing together the torso part of the Hulk this weekend, and then hopefully the following weekend I'll be doing one of the arms or the hands, or finishing off with the head. We will see. I thought I would do a bit of a quick intro of what it is. I'll do a bit of a montage of all the photos I have taken, so you can see whereabouts I am. As you can see, I've only just finished work, I've only just got back home, and I'm going to show you in the boxes behind me. I have one box there, as you can see, which is full of parts, and then I've got let's have a look, 2 more boxes that's on, and a load of other parts. It's going to be big. I'll just show you the printers. The printers are constantly going some. I've had a few issues with some clogged nozzles, but they were quick swap out and back up and running. So they are going. I've revamped my website slightly, so it's I've changed my little icon and loading page. But yeah, I'm hoping to be printing this chap out. As you can see, he's not that big, not at the moment. But here's some pictures coming up. I do not know, I'm hoping it should be done before Christmas. All the parts I've been printing in so far is anything I can get my hands on, which is fairly cheap, such as I've got some good deals on King Rune. I have posted some links and stuff, so please use those, they're pretty good. I've had no issues with the King Rune at all. Like I've said, a couple of clogged nozzles, could have been anything, but other than that it's absolutely fine. I mean, don't forget, my printers have been going constantly since the Ironman project. So I've done the Ironman project and now I'm doing this, and they've been going constantly. I'll show you one of the parts I'm just trying to grab. So this is, look, the size of my head, basically, a print. So this is part 44 out of 114, I think, which is just the torso. You will see in the photos that I've done, I've been obviously starting from the 2 legs. And when I say the 2 legs, I'm on about 2 legs, yeah, and then the pants on top. That's as far as I've got so far. I'm hoping to get the chest piece done. But we will see how things go, and I will crack on and give you an update when I get the torso put together and hopefully standing on the other parts, which you will see in a moment. So I'll show you those now. If you do like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, it's totally free, but it shows support to my channel, which is obviously helping. The other thing that I'm doing is I have been, one second, should have been more prepared with this, sorry. I was sponsored by Gloop, so show them some love. I will put some notes down in the description. go and show them some love, because they're helping me, and without them I would have been up to my neck in it. But thank you all following me. I will show you the pictures now, and be yourselves. Don't forget, I mean, this is just something that a single person can do with a 3D printer, so think of it that way. It's endless. You can do anything you want with a 3D printer. You just have to go for it and give it some, and it's just your imagination at the end of the day. I'll just show this quickly as well. That was 3D printed, but that's because I've got the AMSs, but you can actually do those using QForge as well. But it's mostly, just down to your imagination. Alright, speak to you soon. Bye.